Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi. So I'm currently interning under Lexis and Company. So today I'm going to discuss about the topic Copyright Act 1957, which went so many amendment that is on so current amendment is 2012. So firstly we'll see what is there all included in a copyright. So copyright subsists through India in the following classes of the work, that is original illiteracy, dramatic, musical and artistic work, cinematographic films, sound recording. So these are the broad categories that can be summarized as that can be said to be as work done as an individual ownership to something. So there is a copyright to it. So why there is a need to provide such a legislation and legislation for the copyright? So there is an when an individual work on their skills or work on their by putting so much of effort, so there is a need to protect their original work, so that the work which the person has done, that cannot be copied or that cannot be taken away from the original creator, original the doer which has done the work, which is the originality ownership to that work. So there isn't such a legislation which provided in Indian Constitution for protecting for intellectual property and for protecting the copyright. So there is a current legislation governing the copyright in India, that is Copyright Act 1957, which was, as I earlier said, which was amended in 2012. So there is a certain international treaties with work in an organized way for dealing with the copyright issues. India is a member of a Berne Convention, the Universal Copyright Convention, the Rome Convention, the Agreement of Trade or related aspects of intellectual property right, that TRIPS, UNESCO. So as in India, there is a no such registration. There is a no such laws which require for the proper registration of the copyright. But there is always said to have as a copy, as an evidence to offer work to get registration done. So there is a duration of a copyright. So when copyright expires 60 years from the end of the calendar year in which the author dies. So where a work has a joint author or a co-author, it expires 16 years from the end of the calendar year in which the last known author dies. There is a so the first ownership, the Indian copyright says that in a literacy, dramatic or artistic work, painting or created during the course of employment or under a contract of a service or apprenticeship or for the purpose of publication in a newspaper, magazine or similar periodical of a contract, the contrary as the first ownership is of copyright. So whoever firstly organize such work, do the any have ownership to that work, he is having a copyright to that copyright to. So the such copyright is being protected, either he has purchased that work from somebody, either that work is of his original work. So, to fair dealing sets out the condition where certain action can be performed on copyright work without infringement copyright. Courts in India tend to take a rather pragmatic approach and tend to allow copying of material where the use is intended to be educational or stimulative progress in the art. So, particular use will normally seen in a fair dealing if it is either private or personal use, such as research study, educational use, or by teacher student criticism or reviewing or report of current events and current affairs. So there is a certain thing which is not included in the copyright, that is the an idea. If somebody is having an idea that is only being communicated, the communication which is the idea has been given, that has been promulgated by some other people, that is not a copyright. If I give some suggestion to it, that is not a copyright. If something is done in the public security, then that is not a copyright to it. So there is certain thing which is a, so there is an India is having also a certain, if a copyright is infringed, if a person without an appropriate permission or license does anything that the owner of the copyright has an exclusive right to do, there are the two classes of infringement: primary infringement and secondary infringement. So for both there is a legislation which provides a certain condition, and even there is a law which make illegal to it, and there is a punishment which is given in the law for protection of such copyright. So if a person is doing some work which is the original work of his or her, that is the original work of his, that cannot be copied by someone else, that cannot be taken away from by someone else, except either he purchases it either by his consent or consent, he takes it. So there is a proper ownership and proper right in an original work of a person.